Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to share a DXF file for your cams. So here you can see I have a picture of a cam, and this would, your typical cam is going to take close to an hour to 3D print. And it would take, maybe 20 seconds to machine. Um, so we are going to machine these out of PVC on the CNC machine. So rather than sending me an STL, you're going to send me what's called a DXF file. So what I'm going to do here is um, I'm going to come over to Sketches, and I am going to find, let's see, by right-clicking on this, and again here, let me show you my sketch. So my sketch has all the profiles that need to be cut on the CNC machine. Um, so when I come over here to Sketches, I'm going to right-click, and I'm simply going to do a Save as DXF. Okay, so I'm going to save this as CamSpurge, and then I have the ability to go straight to the Google Drive. I can go to my drive, I can go to 3D Print Queue, and then there's a folder in there called DXFs. Okay, so I can put that right there and put it in there. If you did not have that ability, I would just simply hit Save as DXF and then say it goes to my pictures. I would go ahead and hit, oops, I'm saving this as CamSpurge. I'm going to put it there, and it's going to go in my pictures file. So then I would open up the 3D print queue, and here's the DXF file. And then I would open my pictures, and I just save that as, well, I got a lot of stuff in here, huh? Oh, turns out it is. So there's CamSpurge. So I would put that, and I would just drag that into there. But that is a DXF file. Now I can just machine that for you, but everything's size is held there, and everything's very easy. So obviously I'll help you in class, but that's going to be the easy way to do this. Thanks. Bye.